pasta parfait. Wake up. Babe? What are you doing?
You're saying weird stuff.
Yes. Pasta parfaits. Let's go. Come on, right now. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
We need to go to the store?
There's no time.
What about my snack?
You can figure out a snack here. Hold on. I'm envisioning fettuccine alfredo served vertically. It is going to be, this is gonna take over winter. We gotta do this right now. If we don't make the video first, someone else is gonna make it. Go to your stations. Look, this is how I see it. We make the noodles, we make the sauce, we make the mushrooms, but everything's separate. The cheese, separate, everything's separate. Duder, look, you gotta understand, this is the Nurse Huckleberry show. I'm Nurse Huckleberry, and I need to be the trendsetter. There's no way this show's gonna blow up doing regular stuff. No, Bert, that's right. We are making pasta parfaits. Let's do it! Excuse me, Bert. Excuse me, Bert. Get out of my way! What? In my dream there were noodles, but I don't know if it was fettuccine or spaghetti.
Yogurt?
Yeah, it's a parfait. Parfaits have yogurt in them, duh. This is all the cheese. We're gonna have to make it work. Oat milk. White wine, yes please. No. No. Yes. Butter.
What are you doing?
What do you mean?
You just changed the letters on the fridge?
Yeah, a parfait.
Are you still asleep?
No. Okay. How do we make Alfredo? Come here. Get out of here. First up, mushrooms. We don't have time. I don't have time to mince. Get in there.
You really pulled me out of bed for this?
What, you think mushrooms aren't important? This will be the next big thing, okay? We're topping the charts. We're gonna be next on Google Trends. Pasta, parfait, amazing.
Smells good.
Yeah.
Why are you putting it in a bowl?
Because it has to be separate. Parfait has layers. That's the mushroom layer. Shh. Oh God. Okay. Right. I wasn't planning on the yogurt splitting. I wasn't. Maybe pasta parfait isn't the trend.
Can I go back to bed?
No, we're figuring this out. It is the trend. Shit.
Okay.
That's fine, we'll figure it out. This dream is gonna come true. I'm gonna make pasta parfait. It's happening, okay? That was just a fluke. Butter. We're making a roux this time. Oat milk, old friend. Let's figure this out. Okay, my water is hot. My pasta is not. Oh, in you go.
You sure about this?
What?
You just seem kind of frantic.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. This pasta just has to cook. Cook faster.
Maybe take a couple of deep breaths for me.
Fine.
One more.
You're right. I do feel better now. I still have to make this sauce though. I'll try the yogurt again, but I'm out of oat milk, so I really hope this works. Please.
Oh. Looks better.
It looks better. You're right. I just needed to take a deep breath.
You're still kind of crazy right now, but that's... What's that?
Nutmeg.
Nice.
It adds a special touch. Okay. Now we build. You don't build it. Wait, what? Am I supposed to put it in a bowl? This parfait is going to be the ultimate pasta dish. Layers are how you get the most flavor out of your food, okay? Distinct, isolated layers. Ooh, these are food all mixed up. A parfait is not for sissies. Perfect, perfect, excellent layers. That's exactly what I want. Exactly what I want. No, oh no, the sauce is permeating. Okay, we have to act quickly. Work quickly. Crap, what's next? Sauce, mushrooms, noodles. Noodles, cheese, greens, sauce. Oh God, I don't have enough room. That's okay. Yeah, we tamp it down. We tamp it down. That's nice. Sauce, mushrooms, noodles. Just noodles. Cheese, greens. I present to you the pasta parfait.
Can I go back to bed now?
But no, I gotta try it.
How are you going to eat this?
With a parfait spoon, of course. Duh. I got one of these. It is a bit small, though. You know what? Hold on. Aha! Yeah, this will reach all the way down to the bottom. Oh, yeah. That is how you eat pasta. It's perfect. Each layer is its own experience, but you can blend them for a new experience. Okay.
finish it?
No, I will. But first, if you like this video, then you should like and subscribe. Please leave a comment. Would you try this as a parfait? Is this the new trend for noodles? Be sure to turn on that notification bell so that you too can be on top of the best trends presented here by Bortco. Pasta parfaits, they're what's up. Thank you so much for watching. If you like our content, we stream live Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday evenings at 10 p.m. Pacific time on Twitch at Nurse Huckleberry. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm gonna go back to bed now. Okay, bye!